OFM Sport.
Griffins is always a tricky game. You guys can beat them 100-0 in a warm-up game, but in the next week it will be a 7-point affair. The results over the last couple of years have shown this. So how much of this is actually tuning in mentally for this game? Because I'm sure that you guys will believe that you have what it takes to go and get a result there.
No, definitely. I think over the last couple of years we struggled there, especially, and last year as well. They came back at the end. So I think focusing on a good start, getting our tails up a bit, and seeing if we can inflict some pressure onto them. The last couple of weeks we had to take the pressure at the beginning of the game. So hopefully we can do that and build an innings. We're struggling at the moment with that, and that's what we're working on at the moment.
Niels, a little bit less than 2 years ago, your debut as a captain was against the Griffins in the Toyota Challenge, Yamblim. What did you learn out of that game to take you forward as a player?
No, it's funny enough that it was against the Griffins as well. I think what I've learned is I have a group of senior guys around me that can still assist me on and off the field, and that you don't necessarily have to lead with words. It's more about doing your job, knowing your job, and doing it to the best of your ability. That's what I learned, and that's what I feel the group of players we have follows.
In your last game against EP, the result looked really good on paper, but you take that first 30 minutes, they put you guys on the pump, forced you guys into a lot of mistakes. Is that something that you guys have been able to reflect on while not dwelling on it and looking at what needs to be rectified against this tricky and a lot tougher team?
Definitely, it was a big talking point for us this past week going into the Griffins match. He's starting the match better. The first 20-30 minutes, like you said, we don't want to put ourselves under unnecessary pressure with discipline. Then when you look at it, we had 2 yellow cards in that first half as well. If we were less fortunate, we could have been behind in that first half. So that's something we did look at and that reflect on, and we want to start against the Griffins much better.
And what makes them so tough there? Because it's such an unassuming little field when you drive into Welkom. It's never really packed to the brim like you'd get at a big game here. What is it that makes them so hard to beat over there?
I don't necessarily have the answer. I mean, it's still a rugby field. It's the same distance between the posts. Everything's the same. It's just you're playing in Welkom. So I can't necessarily put my finger on it. It's just about pitching up and every player that's on the field doing their best and doing their job to the best of their ability. I think I can't put my finger on it, like I said. But you can't go there thinking it's going to be easy. Of course, you have to play for 80 minutes and longer if needed. Yeah.